good shot down the middle of the fairway. Good looking ball as long as it doesn't bounce in the water. We should be safe up there. That should do it. I always forget there's an airport right next to this golf course. Let's go, baby. That's the bird. The bird is the word. That's a good way to start here at the Polecat. Let's get it.